How to log out of your Mobile Legends account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log out of your account on MLBB. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to log out of. And then from here, on the top left corner, you'll have the profile icon. So go ahead and tap on the profile icon. Now, once you land on the profile page, all you have to do is head over to the account section down below. And the first thing you have to do is connect your account to your Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, VK, or Telegram account so that you don't lose any of your progress. As you can see, I've already connected it with my Google account. You could also connect it to your Moontone account if you wanted. I've already connected it to my Google, so once that is done, all you have to do is head over to Account Center on the right side of your screen. And then from here, tap on Device Management, and it will show you a login of your device. So what you want to do is tap on Log Out of all devices, and you will be logged out. And after that is done, what you could do is, if you want to just switch your account, tap on Switch Account and choose a account type that you want to switch to. And then just tap on it and you will be logged out of your current account and logged into another one. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.